Did you know millions of Americans are earning an extra $500 a week, and they're doing it without a traditional second job? It's true. From delivery apps you can use on your lunch break, to online freelancing you can do from your couch, to simple side hustles anyone can start, people are boosting their income faster than ever before. Today, I'm going to show you 10 real, proven ways Americans are making at least $500 a week in 2025. And more importantly, how you can start doing it too. Welcome to USA Cash Orbit, your home for the smartest ways to earn more money, save more money, and finally build real financial freedom. If you're tired of hearing about get-rich-quick schemes and want practical side hustles that actually work, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next video. Now, let's jump right in and get you earning. Coming in at number 1 on our list, we have delivery apps. This is one of the fastest and most accessible ways to start earning money today. I'm talking about DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart. These apps have become a lifeline for millions, and they remain one of the quickest ways to hit that $500 per week goal. Here's why. Most drivers report an active pay rate of between $18 and $25 per hour. Let's do the math. If you work just 20 hours a week, that's already between $360 and $500. And that's not even counting the peak times. If you focus your hours on weekend nights, especially Friday and Saturday, you can easily push your earnings even higher with surge pricing and bigger tips. The best part is the flexibility. You work when you want, for as long as you want. Got a free hour? Turn on the app. It's that simple. Next up, at number 2, we have remote freelancing. This one is huge for anyone who wants to make money from home. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized sites are booming. Americans are offering simple online services that businesses desperately need. Think about it. Blog writing, basic graphic design using tools like Canva, adding captions to videos, or providing virtual assistant tasks like managing emails and scheduling appointments. You don't need a fancy degree for this. Most beginners can start earning $15 to $30 per job or per hour. If you complete just 3 to 5 of these smaller tasks a day, you can easily reach that $500 per week mark. The key is to start with a skill you already have, or one that's easy to learn. Create a compelling profile and start bidding on jobs. Once you get a few positive reviews, the work starts coming to you. Our third method is a specific and highly effective one. Amazon Flex. This is different from working in an Amazon warehouse. With Flex, you are your own boss. You use your own vehicle to deliver packages for Amazon. The system works in scheduled blocks, which you sign up for in the app. These blocks are typically 3 to 4 hours long. The pay is fantastic for this type of work, usually between $18 and $25 per hour. Many drivers who consistently work 1 block per day, 5 days a week, find themselves hitting the $300 to $500 weekly mark with ease. It's more structured than food delivery since you're on a set route for a set time, which many people prefer. If you live near an Amazon distribution center, this is an opportunity you should definitely look into. At number 4, we're diving into the world of passive income with selling digital products. This is where you create something once and sell it over and over again. Budget templates, digital planners, printable wall art, short e-books, and even pre-made Canva templates are selling like crazy on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Think about it. You could spend one weekend creating a beautiful and functional digital planner. Once it's listed, it can sell passively for months, or even years, with no extra work from you. The numbers are compelling. If you sell a $10 product, you only need to sell 50 of them a week to hit $500. If your product is $20, you only need to sell 25. With the global reach of these platforms, finding that many customers a week is very achievable once you get some momentum. Coming in at number 5 is a classic for a reason: reselling and flipping. The core idea is simple: buy low, sell high. Thrifting is more popular than ever, and savvy Americans are scouring thrift stores, clearance racks at major retailers, and Facebook Marketplace for undervalued items. They're finding designer clothes for a few dollars, vintage furniture that just needs a little polish, or electronics that are steeply discounted. Then, they list these items on eBay, Poshmark, or back on Facebook Marketplace for a significant profit. It's not uncommon to make a $30 to $50 profit on a single flip. Do that just 10 to 15 times per week, and you're bringing in $400 to $750. This is perfect for anyone with a good eye for deals and a little bit of patience. Number 6 is about making your assets work for you through renting. You probably own things that other people would pay to borrow. People are making serious money by renting out spare rooms on Airbnb, their cars on Turo, power tools or camera equipment on platforms like Fat Llama, and even their empty parking spaces. The beauty of this is that it leverages things you already own. Let's say you rent out a spare room for $75 a night. Just one booking for a long weekend could net you over $200. Or maybe you rent your car out on Turo for $50 a day while you're working from home. Just 2 days a week gets you $400 a month. Just one or two of these rental streams, earning $25 to $75 per day, can add up incredibly fast and get you to your weekly goal. Next, at number 7, we have task apps. If you're handy and don't mind a little physical work, this is for you. Apps like TaskRabbit, Handy, and Thumbtack connect you with people in your local area who need help with everyday jobs. This could be anything from cleaning a house, helping someone move, assembling that tricky IKEA furniture, or doing minor handyman repairs. The pay for these tasks is excellent, often ranging from $25 to as high as $60 per hour, depending on the job and your skill level. At that rate, you could pass the $500 mark by working just 8 to 15 hours a week. You choose the jobs you want to do and set your own schedule, making it a powerful and flexible way to earn. Our 8th method is another giant in the gig economy: ride-sharing. Uber and Lyft are still incredibly popular, and for a good reason. Especially if you live in or near a busy city, the earnings potential is strong. Drivers can consistently earn between $20 and $30 per hour, especially during peak commute times, weekends, and event nights. Many drivers report that they can hit their $500 weekly goal by working just 2 or 3 busy weekend shifts. Think about a Friday night, a Saturday, and maybe a Sunday afternoon. That's all it might take. Like delivery apps, the flexibility is a huge draw, allowing you to earn money whenever you have a free moment and a car. At number 9, we have a skill-based hustle that's always in demand: online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make great money sharing your knowledge. Subjects like math, English, science, coding, and test prep for exams like the SAT are in constant demand from students of all ages. Websites like Wisent and Tutor.com make it easy to connect with students from all over the country. Tutors typically earn between $18 and $40 per hour, with more specialized subjects commanding higher rates. Just 10 to 15 hours of tutoring per week is often enough to reach your $500 target. It's a rewarding way to earn, as you're directly helping someone learn and succeed, all from the comfort of your home. And finally, at number 10, we have the most modern hustle on our list: AI side hustles and microservices. This is the cutting edge of earning online. Americans are using powerful but easy-to-use AI tools to offer services that were once complex and time-consuming. For example, using ChatGPT to help businesses create social media content or write blog posts, using Midjourney to generate custom AI art for logos or illustrations, or using tools like CapCut to quickly edit short-form videos for TikTok and Reels. These are small, project-based gigs that can pay surprisingly well, often between $20 and $75 each. Just a handful of these orders per week can easily add up to $500. This field is brand new and growing fast, so getting in now could be a very smart move. So there you have it. 10 real, actionable ways Americans are bringing in at least $500 per week in 2025. We covered everything from hitting the road with delivery apps to creating passive income with digital products and even leveraging cutting-edge AI tools. Whether you want something super flexible, something you can do from home, or something that runs on autopilot, there's an option on this list for everyone. The key is to pick one that fits your lifestyle and skills and just get started. If you want more videos breaking down practical side hustles, real money tips, and proven ways to make money right here in the USA, make sure you subscribe to USA Cash Orbit and turn on notifications. And I want to hear from you. Comment below which one of these 10 methods you want me to break down in a full, detailed guide next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.